Yeah, Randy, this is Terry Numbers. How are you doing today?
Very good.
I couldn't hear what you said?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Well, that's good. Say, I understand that you're the Department of Corrections Data Practice Compliance Officer.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I've submitted some data requests to the Sherburne County Sheriff's Office for information about my records, and I submitted them originally on October 30th, 2012, and I received no answers. So then I contacted them again on January 9th of 2013 and informed them that I had reported them to, let's see, can't think of the name, Department of Administration.
Okay.
And that didn't seem to spawn any interest, so I called them up again a couple of different times and left a message with Sheriff Brott and informed him that it was a criminal offense to withhold the information because misconduct of a public official is a gross misdemeanor, and that the evidence, my records that he was withholding were incriminating to him, and that seemed to spur him into action because then he lawyered up and then sent some of the records, but obviously he hasn't sent all the records. That's why I'm contacting you. See, I was documenting rights violations of myself and other prisoners at the Sherburne County Jail. In fact, I was subjected to a malicious IRC hearing for supposedly inciting a riot, which they themselves even found out was fallacious. So I was cleared of those charges. But anyhow, I'm still missing a number of my grievances because I've kept every single scrap of paper I had when I was there. In fact, I was in the Douglas County Jail, and I was denied information from them too. I wanted to get my video visits from them because I was documenting. What I would do is my mother would come on a video visit, I would tell her what was going on, she would call the Department of Corrections. So they don't want me to have those either. There's also a video visit from the Candiota County Jail that they're withholding also. That's where I...
Okay, and were you ever committed to the Department of Corrections?
I was in the Sherburne County Jail.
Oh, that's... The Department of Corrections, we're the people that run the state prisons.
Okay.
We don't really... The only authority that we have over the county jails is a division of our agencies in charge of inspecting those jails. But I think probably your best bet at this point is to get in touch with the Sherburne County attorney.
Okay.
Other than that, there's not much I can tell you because I'm an attorney for the Department of Corrections. I'm precluded from offering people legal advice because my job is to offer legal advice to the Department of Corrections, and I'm not trying to blow you off. I just I want to make sure that you're aware of that situation. And with regard to this data practices thing with Sherburne County, you have done the things that I've already suggested, with the exception of calling the county attorney.
Okay.
But our agency doesn't have any jurisdiction over their data practices issues, unfortunately.
Okay. But I can call up the complaint department. I don't remember what the enforcement division is of the D.O.C. As I said, if you have any...
Yeah, I don't know that they are involved in because the data practices law is not just a jail issue. It relates to any government agency.
Right.
Whether it would be the Sherburne County Jail or the Sherburne County Agricultural Office or whatever it happens to be. So I don't know that our inspection people have any enforcement over that part of it. You're certainly welcome to try.
Okay.
And then I have never heard them ask me any questions about that. What their job is to make sure that the jails are clean, secure places, that sort of thing.
Right, right. Well, that's, again, what I was documenting with my grievances, and, again, why they wanted to submit me to that malicious IRC hearing. So...
Okay, well, I can certainly give you the... Hold on for a minute. I can give you the phone number for the inspections unit.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a piece of paper here.
Yep. Hold on. It's going to take me a minute anyway. So
Okay.
Right.
It's all right. I appreciate your help.
I'm going to have you speak with the person who handles their phone calls at 651
Okay.
361
Okay.
7146.
Okay.
And she's an administrative assistant, but she can talk to you. I don't know who has which jail and that sort of thing.
Okay.
But that's the Minnesota Department of Corrections Inspection and Enforcement Unit.
Okay. And what was this lady's name then?
Her name is, well, I think it's Terry Smith, but this is old, so it may be somebody else.
Okay. Well,
you're more likely to just, better off, I think, just calling that phone number and explaining your situation and asking to speak with somebody that might be involved in issues related to Sherburne County.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. March 13th, 2013. Facilities Inspection and Enforcement Division of D.O.C.
Hi, this is Ken Thompson of the Department of Corrections Inspection and Enforcement Unit. I'm sorry that I'm unable to take your call at this time. Please leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you need immediate assistance, please hang up and area code 651-361-7146 and your call will be redirected. Thank you and have a great day.
Hello, this is Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. I was a prisoner in the Sherburne County Jail, and I've been demanding my records since October 30th of last year. Just in the last month, end of January, they sent me some of my records after I threatened them with telling the sheriff that he was engaging in misconduct, refusing to do his job, which is a criminal offense, by not providing my records, and also stated that the records that he was withholding were incriminating to him, and then he lawyered up and had his lawyer send part of my records. My records document rights abuses of myself and other prisoners, which Sheriff Brott does not want me to have. All right, again, my name is Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. Thank you.